So I had a company gift us the SEYVUM 16-inch 40-watt cordless chainsaw. So this chainsaw has 2 battery packs that slide right on into the saw itself, and it did come with a charging station for those batteries, and they did provide a cover for you to cover your blade. Now there are some features on this unit that I want to point out to you. So this is going to be your lock for your chainsaw. You would pull it forward if you're ready to use it, push it back if you are trying to lock it. Now here are the 2 battery packs. Again, they are 20 volts each, and each battery does have a way for you to see if they are charged or not. So this does have 2 different speeds to it. This is going to be your high speed, and this is going to be your low speed. So when you're ready to turn the unit on, you just want to pull this back. So you do have a tab that you got to push up, and then you can hit your trigger button. So this is the high speed and your low speed. When you're done using it, push this forward. It's going to put the unit in lock. Pretty easy work there.